What's up, guys? It's me, Will, back here with another video. Oh, hi, Daisy. So I've been filming for about 11 seconds right now. So yeah, I'm just doing some stuff around here, just looking around. It's very wet. I'm basically just swinging now, making a video and swinging at the same exact time. And yeah, I'm waiting for my friends to get here so I can make some content. So please excuse the music that's going to be in the background. Just kidding, I don't want to get copyrighted. Because the last time I tried to make a Fortnite video, I didn't get copyrighted. I just had to take it down because there was something that like my parents were discussing that they didn't like somebody, and somebody could hear that and they'd be offended. So I deleted it. So I'm just filming. I could go over there. Over there. Oh yeah, I could just go around. Oh, yeet. Hi, Daisy. No, not that muddy. You guys, by the way, if you want to play with me, my name will be in the link in the description, my Fortnite name. Actually, I'm sorry, but I broke my Switch, so I can't upload any more Fortnite content. So I'm just going out into the woods. I'm just going to do nature content. Not going to do any screens. I'm going to try not to laugh challenges. What the heck is Daisy doing? Oh man, you've walked this far. Wow. Is that? Daisy's a rebel. Daisy! Okay, actually, guys, we're not gonna go that far. Do you know why? I don't want to get lost. And there's something on my shoe. Sorry. Ooh, there's some baseball things right there. Like right there. It's hurting my vision. So this stuff. I'm not even looking that direction. I'm just pointing the camera wherever I can. Oh, hey, you know what I'm gonna do with my dad's phone? You. Just kidding. I'm not. Why would I do that? Anyways, let's go. Run, Daisy. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, I think I'm gonna have to end the video off. So, yeah. See you later, guys.